here is just a little quick tip on a tool you might find useful for your Linux shell. It's probably not going to be installed by default. It's called NMON. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. NMON? NMON? But it probably will be in your repositories, so if you're on a Debian-based system, you can use aptitude or apt-get if you're on Debian or on Ubuntu and install it. I already have it installed. You can use whatever package manager you want on your system. Once it's installed, you just call it by typing in the name of it, and it comes up running with a little help screen here. And it's refreshing every 2 seconds, it says. And what we can do here is you can look here. You have shortcut keys to toggle stuff on and off, CPU, memory, disks, resources, kernel, networking, file systems. So let's go ahead. I'm going to hit M for memory, and it will bring up the memory here usage. I can hit N, which will also bring up networking. You notice it still leaves the memory up on the screen. I can hit C for CPU, which also comes up, but now we can't see everything. So I can also, hit M and turn off the memory monitoring, and the network will still be there. It's just depending on the size of your screen and your font size there. I have things kind of blown up a little bit here to make it more visible in the video. You can see that at any point you can hit H to bring up the help screen, which gives you a list of all the buttons. And you can see right here that B will toggle black and white mode. So let me hit H again to hide that. So any of the keys you press it again to toggle it off if it's on. So we got our process monitor here, and there are certain things that are color-coded. If for some reason you don't want it color-coded, maybe you're on a monochrome screen and it might be difficult to read on it, is my assumption, you can hit B to go to black and white mode. And you can hit B again to go back to color mode. So once again, I'll hit N to turn off network monitoring, and C to turn off CPU monitoring. I'll hit H for help, and you have your list of commands there. So that's a quick tip, just a little tool that you might find useful for looking at stuff. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a little quick tip on your Linux system. Please visit my website. It's filmsbychris.com. That's Chris the K. There should be a link in the description. And I hope that you have a great day.